This right here is the Makita AS001. This is your 40 volt max XGT brushless dust blower, and I'm joined by Simon Bowler. Now Simon, I've picked this tool especially for you. I've been very excited to go over this with you. Last time we had Simon on our channel, you were talking about how much you love using, it's the small Makita blower, right? The 18 volt blower. And you said you use it for all sorts of things, mainly for cleaning up on site. And it's almost like Makita have answered your prayers with this, because this is exclusively for that.
It is, absolutely. So I do have, as Dan has said, the 18 volt blower, and we use it for cleaning dust out of mortises, we use it for cleaning up dust at the end of the day, we even use it for cleaning out the vans now and again. This wasn't available when I got that. If this was available, this would be the one that I would have bought. It is just fantastic, it really is. Battery lasts for ages, loads of output in terms of cubic meters per minute. It's just a great piece of kit and does everything that we needed to do and more. Every time it comes out, we find a new use for it. It's a bit of a standing joke on site these days.
You're also getting the flexibility with it as well. You've got the variety of attachments here, like you said, for blowing dust out of any holes that you've drilled, but also for the clear up. You've got, if you want a wider nozzle, you've got that here. But I love the attachment of it as well. It's quite satisfying. Would you like to demonstrate?
I can do, yeah. We'll go with this one.
Go.
So you just click it on, that's it locked on, and then to get it off, it's that easy. You just turn it and off it comes.
As easy as that. You've also got the mode button at the bottom, so you can actually select between 4 different powers of blowing. And there's also a locking switch, you know, if you're looking for some hands-free blowing. But that's lovely stuff. Thank you very much, Simon, for joining us with this. This is the AS001 40 volt XGT brushless dust blower. It's available now at its.co.uk.